At the start of every year, I like to reset my routine and get my life together in order to start out the year feeling refreshed and productive. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do that realistically and how I set positive intentions in order to make the new year the best yet. I literally didn't do anything today. I was pretty much on the couch from the minute I woke up until now. It's 4:44. I had plans today to get up early and set an alarm and get a lot done, but I feel like I just wasted my entire day. Now it's pretty much dark out. So I'm trying to save this very half-wasted day. I just took an everything shower. I had my eucalyptus up. I washed my hair. I did the full routine. And I did all this because I do not want this day to go to waste. So I am gonna finish getting ready, and the theme of this video is to get my life together and get my routine back, starting with tonight to save this half-wasted day. I just finished getting ready. I have a very cozy outfit on today. I was gonna pick out something really cute, but this time of year, like during the winter, it is so hard for me to not just bundle up into something really warm instead of like carefully picking out an outfit to make it really cute. And I know cute outfits can also be warm, but for me, my ideal warm outfit is like a big sweatshirt like this. This one's a crew neck. And it's my favorite. So this is what we went with today. So I am headed out. I have a couple things I need to do tonight. Starting at the store, I need to run a couple errands and get some things I've been needing at the apartment. I don't have to go like full grocery shopping. I need like essentials like hangers, trash bags, stuff like that. And then I'll probably pick up a couple food items for the week too. This new year for 2024, I also want to be very mindful of my purchases. Honestly, with social media, it's really hard to not constantly spend your money on stuff or have like a long wish list of stuff that you want. So this year I really want to be a lot better with my spending and make sure I want the item and I'm going to use the item before I buy it. So starting at Target, this is the perfect place to practice because I swear I go in there all the time and I end up buying a bunch of stuff that's not on my list that I don't really need, but somehow Target has this like magical effect where all of a sudden I go in there and I'm like, oh, I do need that. I've been wanting that. Okay, perfect. Let me pick that up. So tonight I'm only getting the essentials and things that have been on my list for a while. So I am gonna head over there right now and I'm turning on my heated seat, my essential for winter. Since I've been moving into this apartment, the closet space has been so exciting for me. I have a much bigger closet than my last apartment. The problem is I have not had enough hangers to hang all my clothes up, so I've just had piles in my room and I have a whole box still packed with clothes that I haven't been able to hang up. So we're gonna fix that tonight and finally get all this stuff done. This has really been what's been taking up my entire room, so I'm so excited to do this. And hopefully I bought enough hangers today. everyone. So I just woke up, I'm sitting in my room, and before I go upstairs to make breakfast, I wanted to journal. I am gonna try and start this year every morning with a gratitude journal entry. I really just want to write about things that I'm grateful for before I start manifesting, and I created a vision board all last night, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. I also just got this for Christmas. It's lavender pillow mist. I've been wanting to try this for so long. I think it's gonna help so much with my sleep, but I forgot to spray it on last night, so I just did it this morning, and it should set the mood for a calming journaling experience this morning. Pretty much all last night I was working on a 2024 vision board, and I am so excited for it. I made one of these the last couple years, and it's so nice because it gives you like a visual thing to manifest. As you guys know, I love manifesting and intuition. I pretty much started doing this in 2020, and it's really changed my perspective on how I look at my future. I loved taking philosophy classes in college, and one quote by the famous philosopher Descartes was, "I think, therefore I am." If you think about it, everything you see is a thought that someone had that came to life, so it can't be created unless it's first thought about. So in my mind, thinking about the future and what I want to manifest, it's gonna manifest into reality because it started as a thought. I could go on a whole tangent about this, but what I'm getting at is I love creating a vision board for the new year because it gives me all these goals that I want to reach for in 2024. So I created my own entire vision board. So a couple things I want to practice this year is more self-care and enjoying my space. I think it's so important to practice mindfulness, and I also want to take up some new hobbies. So number one is I really want to learn to play electric guitar. My dad just gave me one last year, and I started learning on my acoustic guitar, but I really want to do electric, so I need to get the full setup to learn electric guitar. I could take classes, I could learn on YouTube. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'll keep you guys updated, but I definitely want to do that this year. So I'm gonna unfortunately have to take off my acrylics again. I also just graduated from college with my bachelor's degree in art. I created a lot of work in school, and the deadlines definitely pushed me to keep going, but now that I've graduated and it's all on my own time, I really need to schedule a specific time to get working on some new pieces. Traveling, I really want to go out of the country, maybe during summer or springtime. And other than that, those are pretty much my main goals for 2024. Of course, I want to grow on social media and work on building a bigger audience, but I'm so appreciative for all of you guys. I am gonna head upstairs, I'm gonna make some food and finish getting ready, but that is what my 2024 is looking like so far. Whoa! That usually doesn't happen. Look at my cute pink microphone. Okay, so I literally recorded this entire part of the video, and I was using my new microphone, and the audio was sounding so good, but I didn't save the audio file, so all of the audio you're gonna hear right now is just through the camera. It's not even through the microphone, but it's so annoying to watch me like speak through this microphone and then you don't even get to hear that audio. Anyway, I'll make sure to keep my audio files next time. I don't know why I accidentally deleted all that stuff. LOL. I feel like we're finally kind of getting a vibe in this apartment. I have had so much fun putting everything together, and if you guys are following along with my moving series, I still have so many episodes left, but those videos have been so fun to film. So this morning I woke up and I've been working on a video. I made some breakfast. This is actually one of my favorite breakfasts. We got coffee, and then I made croissants this morning. I have a Pilates class tonight. I am so excited. I will tell you guys all about that later, but this will be my first time going to Pilates. I'm honestly a little nervous. I think everyone's gonna kick my ass. I'm gonna finish my croissant and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm gonna bring extra clothes to put on before my Pilates class tonight. So right now I have on this sports bra. It's actually so cute and backless. I have on this like loose long sleeve top. These leggings, I put on my Uggs and some tall socks. I literally had to look up what to wear to Pilates because I was like, I have no idea. Apparently you don't wear shoes. So that's perfect. And then I'm gonna have to buy like some of the grip socks that they have. But I'm so excited for this class. So I'm gonna bring an extra tote bag with clothes to put on before the class. I am all ready. I'm gonna grab my purse and head out the door. Okay, oh my god, I should have brought a hoodie because it is pouring out right now. I only have like an hour and a half to get this stuff done, and then I have to head over to this class. I'm gonna bring my bag filled with my change of clothes into this mall. So after I do my shopping, I'm gonna change really quick and then head over. Also, I wore my Uggs. I love these shoes. You know, I've had them since last year when I went to Europe. They should work for the damn rain, but they don't. They always get like damaged every time they get wet. It's so annoying. I'm like, what are these Ugg boots for then? Like, I thought they were for the rain. I do not want my hair to get ruined already. It happens too fast. I have my tote bag full with my change of clothes. We're gonna walk like this, and I don't care. Oh my god, it is pouring. I just fucking ran. I protected my bangs, so they're all good, but I am completely soaked. I bought these paper towels and I put them over my head, and then I put my sweatpants over my head, and they are literally soaked. Oh my god, this Sephora bag is completely soaked. I am gonna head over to my first Pilates class. I changed in the bathroom successfully. I'm excited to show you guys my outfit. Made it back to my apartment. That was so much fun. I had the best night. I did my first Pilates class, which I am so excited about. For it being my first time, I feel like I kept up pretty good, but I was so confused for most of the time. Like, the class moved so fast. Also, loved this outfit. I put on these sweatpants, so it's the perfect after Pilates outfit. That was definitely one of the most LA things I've ever done. I literally walked into that room. It was so cute. The setup was so nice, but I was like, oh my god, I'm wearing my aloe yoga top. I have my Lululemon jacket. Here for Pilates. Definitely just needed like an Erewhon smoothie afterwards, and then it'd be the full LA experience. So I'm exhausted, and I'm so excited to be sore in the morning because I really think I worked it tonight. I got some groceries and things I needed for my apartment, and I want to show you the other stuff that I got. I got this long sleeve top in green, a very similar one in white, but she forgot to take off the security tag. So unfortunately, I have to go back tomorrow to get this off. These are my absolute favorite pajama pants of all time, and I found them in pink. I am so excited. I literally have these pajama pants in like every color, so now pink edition. Lastly, I found the cutest set in this pink color. It has these hearts. I'm obsessed. So that is a little Target haul. I just did my makeup, but before I finish getting ready, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is dala. So they sent me this spray serum a couple months ago, and it's become such a part of my skincare and makeup routine. As you can see, I've enjoyed this product a lot. Whenever I do my makeup, I'm always looking for a really dewy, radiant finish, so this is perfect for that. This is a hydrating and radiant spray serum enriched with white truffle from Italy. I know, it's so fancy and luxurious. I love the feel of this on my skin before, during, and after I do my makeup routine. So the reason for the key ingredient being white truffle is because it's a super antioxidant. So it improves skin elasticity, smooths fine lines, and brightens dull skin. I absolutely love this product after my makeup routine. So this serum consists of an oil layer and a serum layer. So all I do is shake it up because the product separates, so now it's all combined. And then I just spray my finished makeup look with this. So since I finished my entire makeup routine, I'm ready to spray this on and complete the look. I also love the ultrafine mist because it goes on evenly. This instantly makes my skin look so glowy and dewy. Like, as you can see, especially in my T-zone, it just gives my skin this really glowy, brightening effect. So now my makeup is finished. I'm obsessed with how this looks on my skin. You guys can shop Dala on Amazon. I'll have the link to this product in the description. And thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. So I have really been needing to clean up in here, so I have been picking up. I'm already starting to see a lot of progress. I'm really trying to start this new year with a clean space. It really helps me like clear my mind too. I have on this outfit, it's like all one piece, leggings and then this top in black, and it's so comfy and cute, and it's like movable, and it was so easy to get dressed today. And then I have leg warmers and my Uggs. So I'm gonna keep going, but I'm so happy with my progress already.